Good day, I'm Adrian De La Cruz from IT2B. Today I will be demonstrating the correct use and care of tree drafting tools as part of Performance Activity 3.
This is a T-square. It is used to draw horizontal and serve to guide as triangle. Place ahead to T-square firmly against the left edge of the drawing board. Then slide up and down to draw straight horizontal lines. To take care of the T-square, I make sure not to drop it and store in flat to avoid bending. This is a triangle. It is used for drawing vertical and angle lines. I place it against the T-square to ensure accuracy when drawing straight upright lines to maintain the triangle in good condition, avoid scraping in on rough surface, and store it in a flat case. This is a compass. It is used to draw circles and arcs. I place the pointed tip on the paper and I rotate the pencil arms to create a circle. To take care of the compass, I keep the needle forward when not is used. Store its case to prevent damage.
Hello everyone, this is my demonstration by using T-square, triangle, and compass. Thank you for watching.